Good morning, all of you. Now, let us see question number 3. Let us read the question. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to line segment AB. So, just see the figure. Here, AD and BC are equal perpendicular to line segment AB. So, AD and BC. So, this line segment is AD and this one is BC. So these two are equal perpendicular to line segment AB. Now this line segment AB. So these two lines are perpendicular. This line is perpendicular to the line segment AB. Similarly, this line segment CB is perpendicular to line segment AB. That means this both the angles are 90 degree. Okay. Apart from that, it is given to us both this line segment AD and BC both are equal. Okay, so AD is equal to BC. So I have marked it. So these both are lines are equal. Okay, we have to prove that CD bisects AD. So I have to prove that this line CD it bisects AB. That means this line CD break this line segment AB into two equal parts. Bisect means two equal parts. Okay. Remember bisect. Bi means two and sect means parts. So two equal parts. If it is trisect means three equal parts. So we have to prove that this line CD will bisect this line AB. That means we have to prove that these two are equal. So basically what we have to prove, we have to prove that OA is equal to OB. This is our required. Okay. So let us start. Now see these two triangles. One triangle AOD, that means this triangle, and triangle BOC, this triangle. Now if you observe nicely in these two triangles, AD is equal to BC. So let us write in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. So in triangle AOD, so you observe nicely in these two triangles, AD is equal to BC, as it is given that both are equal. So we can write AD is equal to BC, as it is given in the question that these two lines are equal perpendicular lines to the line segment AB. Okay. Secondly, angle A is 90 degree, as well as angle B also have the same measure, that is 90 degree. So we can say angle A is equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? The reason is that these two lines are perpendicular to the line segment AB. So we can also write as given. This already given in the question. See here, equal perpendicular. Okay. Now next you see, we have to prove. Okay, we have to prove these two are equal. Now this angle is equal to this angle, that is angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. Now why these two angles are equal? In the previous chapter, in the lines and angles, I have told you that when two lines intersect each other, then the opposite angles, these two angles, corresponding opposite angles, they are equal, and we call them as the vertically opposite angles. Similarly, these two angles are also equal. So if you see in this figure, this line and these two lines are intersecting lines and they have intersected at a point O. So these two are equal. The reason is vertically opposite angles. So we can write in short vertically opposite angles. So we have got all the desired deductions. Now you see here, the first one is the side, second one is the angle, and third one is also as the angle. So which postulate it satisfies? Triple S, triple A, SAS, RHS and ASA. So two angles and side, that is angle, side, angle. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent, that is triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. By which postulate? Angle, side, angle. Now the question is not to prove that these two triangles are congruent. We have to prove CD bisects AB. We have to prove that AO is equal to OB. Now here we wrote that these two triangles are congruent. So directly we can say that the remaining two sides, that is this one, OB is equal to OA. So hence we can write like this, OA equal to OB. In other words, CD bisects AB. That is, this line segment CD is bisecting this line segment AB into two equal parts. Thank you.